Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. We love the bear books. I don't know about you guys, but we love them. So this is The Bear Feels Scared. In this book, it's all about our bear friend here. He ventures off into the woods and a storm comes and he starts to feel really scared. He's not really sure where he is. He gets kind of disoriented, and his little friends, who we know love him so much, really try and help find him. They realize that bear is missing, so they go out. It says here, the friends bundle up and begin to prepare. They form a search party for their lost friend bear, and it's all about him feeling scared. I really, really like this book because I feel like it helped teach my little one that being scared is okay, and that there's always people around to help you if you're scared, and people who care about you, and that the scariness doesn't last forever. So I really, really appreciated this book. I felt like it was really good for my son to learn this lesson, and I think it'll be great for your kiddo too, and that's my point of view.